Okay, so it's been 2 weeks. I've been to 5 cities, and I just want to review and recap my 5-city review. Philadelphia was amazing. I had a host, a meal, and I stayed in his home. I had a whole floor with a half bath and laundry, and it was amazing. And he had a dog, a beautiful wife, I vibed with, and a son, Max, and that was so fun. And we went swimming, and we went busking and took great footage. So Philly treated me very well, except when I went to Love Park, and I was told I needed a permit to share stretching. What are you gonna do? Okay, then I went to Pittsburgh, and that's where I stayed in my van, and this was like a new thing for me, staying in a van. I met some people, some cool people, my barista, the woman who worked the register at the Andy Warhol Museum, where I spent a night. It was really fun. And they gave me tips on safe places to park and stay in my van. So Pittsburgh was great. I also met a beautiful man and had a beautiful sharing of communication and those things. Okay, and then from Pittsburgh, I camped for one night with my friend Jerry, and that was beautiful. We looked at the stars. And then I went to Columbus, Ohio, where I met up with Josie and taught at her studio, and so many people. That was really fun. And then the next day I went busking all around town. One of the locals who took my class vibed and showed me all the places to busk. And Columbus, so manicured, it was all put together. It looked all new, and it was nice. From Columbus, I went up to South Bend, Indiana, to see the home of our potential future president, Mayor Pete Buttigieg. I get in there, I go to this cafe just to get some Wi-Fi, to get a little work done, and a woman comes over and is like, "We're starting trivia." So I played trivia, it was so fun. And then I went to this vegetable bar that had salsa, 30 people salsa dancing on a Wednesday night. Awesome. So that was just one night in South Bend, dreams coming true. And then I drove to Chicago, and if you saw, the Chicago was a hit. I went to the Bean, also called Clouds Gate, and so many people were vibing with the stretching in public. I stayed with my cousin Angela and her daughter, Kaylee, and we just had the best time. It was really quick. There was a lot of gigs. I taught, I busked, and a lot happened in Chicago. It was 1, 2, 3, and then I got out of there, came to Milwaukee, and that will be coming up on the next video. So make sure you subscribe to keep updated. 5 cities in 2 weeks. Stretching in public, U.S. tour continues. I'm taking some calm time here and going to museums in Milwaukee. I'm giving it all away. I do that. I love you, and please let me know what you want to hear, what you want to know. Okay, chat soon. Bye.